E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixa um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem da mesa do Twitch. E, e também quem quiser apoiar o canal, o link é a chave Pix aí na descrição dos comentários. Bom, galera, hoje nós vai continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan aqui. Ó, legal essa imagem de Valentine. Hoje nós, como eu estava dizendo, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan aqui pela região de Valentine. Acho que hoje nós vai começar a resgatar o Sam Macguire. É uma das primeiras missões que nós vamos fazer. É aquelas missões de agiotagem, né, do Strolls. Descobrindo muita coisa do jogo ainda, né? O jogo já, assim, já sou veterano, né? E mesmo depois de 4, 5, 6 anos que lançou o jogo, ainda tem muita coisa a ser descoberta. Vamos ver aqui. O jogo é magnífico, até depois de ano não enjoa, cara. Não tem como enjoar do Red Dead Redemption. Hum. Não, parou aqui, deixa eu ver. Vamos ver uma das missões. Solicitação de item. É o. Vamos fazer essa aqui do. Procurar essa do Roséia. Deixa eu ver aqui onde que tá. O Roséia está. Ah, a gente vai caçar a Anne aqui, né, perto.
Easy. Yep.
Hum. Vamos levar uma fugitiva recompensa. Ah, book e o Zéia. Vamos lá, pera aí.
Easy. Whoa. Easy.
Pra descer aqui, conhecendo o mundo, galera. Qual o nome da fugitiva? Ellie Anne Swan, também conhecida como Viúva Negra, procurada pelo crime de Margens, supostamente em um cúmplice desconhecido. Uma recompensa de $25. Ah, só isso. Vamos pegar essa carcaça. Um lugar de uma cachoeira legal. Por que esse rapaz tá chorando?
Really, man, you think you're so rich. Strutting around. Hey, mister. I just want to be left alone, all right?
A sentiment I'm familiar with. Fair enough, kid.
Holding hands with that dumb fuckhead.
Demonstrados.
You care about this girl? Stand up for yourself. She'll come around.
Yeah, I've been waiting.
Trust me, kid. There ain't so many good men out there. Make yourself one of the good ones.
Thanks, mister. I hope you're right. You ain't Billy May. Well, someday
Larry May, Billy May.
I'll be rich. A nice big house.
Ah, mulher monoia.
To court you.
Oh!
Hold up.
Ó, achei a Ellie Anne. Achei ela aqui. Você é meu namorado, aham, sei. E o negro é. Oh, caramba! Ah, já tá aqui, ó.
There's a bounty hunter. Get him!
Ellie Anne, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make you go with the fellas.
What kind of man are
Oh,
you?
não.
Puny, backstabbing little...
Stay right there. Look what we got here. You are a piece of work. Now, come here.
Rot in hell.
Viúva Negra.
Rot with the rest of them.
Now, I'm just gonna check your pockets.
A Viúva Negra matou seu companheiro aí na minha frente. Que doido ela, hein? Vocês viram? Ai, ai. Coitado,
You
pobre
take
rapaz.
care now.
Estava dormindo juntos. Quieta aí, pancaré.
Don't you manhandle me.
Comfortable enough for you? Let's go, boy. Settle in. You got a ride ahead of you.
Oh dear. What came over me? Did I just shoot those things? It's a horrible blur. But I see blood.
Ah,
There's
tá
blood
falando.
everywhere. It won't come out. I'm not like that. I'm a good girl. Really.
Be quiet with that.
Esse cala a boca. Tá aí, Ark.
I need help, okay? I have an illness. A fever of the brain.
Ah, Ellie Anne.
I've done bad things, but a jail ain't where I belong. Sanatorium, maybe. Get me help. Mister, please?
This is the help you're looking for.
Ah, vamos ver se ela cala a boca agora.
You're such a strong man. So tough and burly. Maybe if I had a strong man like you, I wouldn't be in this mess. My men folk, they've been weak. That's what my problem.
I ain't falling for it.
Eu não vou cair nessa. Ah, tá elogiando o Arthur agora, porque tá querendo nome máximo. Quer aplicar o golpe, né?
Just passing through.
I hate you, you sad sack of shit. I wish I'd cut your belly open and show you your guts. Gutless bounty hunting nobody. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
That's more like it. Hush.
I hate you, cala a boca. O Arthur caçador de recompensa maravilhoso. Vamos ganhar um dinheiro mais melhor do que nada. Quando...
Hard to see how the world's going.
Chegamos a Valentine novamente. Vamos vir na casa.
Got some kind of rock in your boot? Get out of here.
You got a
Got issues with me?
Hey,
Coming up on the jailhouse. Anything else you want to try on me?
Just get me there. You're no fun at all.
I'm afraid I...
Ah, Ellie Anne, cara boa.
I don't need to be included in this.
This place sure makes sore eyes.
Here we go.
Aí, xerife, que trouxe uma prisioneira.
You order a lady killer here, Sheriff?
Yeah, we did. Put her in the cell, won't you?
I protest my innocence. I protest my innocence.
She might be a little shaken up. She lost another feather out by the falls.
Poor dear.
Men just got a habit of dying around you, don't they, Mrs. Swan?
Senhorita Swan.
I hope you'll be comfortable, miss.
She'll be fine. Now come get your money off the desk here.
Obrigado, xerife.
The Black Widow herself. This town's so starved of women. I'm sure she could find herself a husband yet.
Well, that's cowboys for you.
Indeed. So it seems this town's got more pressing problems than outlaws. Gonna take some time off posting bounties, impose law and order on the streets.
That man has a heart of stone. It's silly to keep me locked up in here. I mean, what am I gonna do? Just little old me. Let me out.
Vou ter dinheiro pra pagar a recompensa minha.
I'm immune to your charms, Mrs. Swan.
It's so boring in here. Can't we have some fun, Sheriff? Just the two of us.
And to think you were sniffing around this office at one point. I'm lucky you was charmed by another.
You see, Sheriff, I know your secrets. And I could spread them all over. Like Miss Moria?
Don't you dare mention Mora again. Now hush.
Oh. Show me some sympathy, Sheriff. I'm a widow. A poor little widow. You forget?
They can say what they like about you, but at least you respected the sanctity of marriage.
Till death do us part.
Vou sair daqui.
Okay, boy.
What's gotten into your head?
How you do?
You best not cause no more shit around here.
Agora tem dinheiro pra pagar a recompensa, graças a Deus.
Good to see you again, mister. Ready for a clean slate?
I never did anything wrong, but I got falsely accused, you know.
Take care now.
Hum. Vou voltar ao acampamento.
Okay, boy. Let's go. What in the same
Gastar mais algum cerco para terminar o dia. Caralho, toma. Já vou aproveitar e cobrar aqui o aluguel. Fiquei meio no rancho Tic Matthews.
So, yep. Hey, how about you? Stay back in the wagon, sir. Transporting a fugitive.
Evento aleatório.
Easy there.
Que é isso, texuco?
Yep.
Aí sim, arrancar a pele de um.
Yep.
Aí sim, Arthur.
You
Tem
okay,
um
boy?
cachorro aqui.
There we go.
Mula perfeita. Ah, tem uma mula aqui, rapaz. Que da hora. Oi. É um sítio, ó.
Okay there. Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Tic Matthews, onde que tá? Tá trancado aqui.
You check? I was told I could find a Chick Matthews up here.
Chick Matthews? Might
Chick
wanna talk to
Matthews?
that fella over there. Nah, I'm just here to work for the season.
E aí, senhor?
You Chick Matthews?
Onde tá o Chick Matthews?
That's the green one over there. Oh, and there he goes.
So long, long Charlie.
Damn it! Hey! Get back here! You owe us money! Yeah.
Cadê? Volta aqui, garoto!
Come on! Go! You don't want to
Vai
get
bem.
angry, boy! The more I chase, the more you owe!
You're too slow, old man.
You make me go much further. I'll get more than a debt off you.
How are you still there?
Oh, no, you don't. There we go.
Look, I got some money, but it's hidden. Untie me and I'll tell you where it is.
You're no place to bargain, boy. Goddamn treasure hunt. You're lucky I'm taking your teeth as well.
Get the ropes off already. Blow me down. Aren't you gonna untie me? You got the map. Do the decent thing.
Se algo acontecer comigo, tudo que eu posso estar acordado aqui. Deus, Chick Matthews. Quem mandou correr?
Yep. Yeah. Easy now.
Ah, o tesouro aqui. Voltar pro acampamento agora.
Yeah.
Onde que eu estou? Perto de um lago. à noite. Primeira vez que eu ando à noite assim, eu acho. No jogo. Visão. Da hora. Aqui é uma enorme área pra ir, né? Tô chegando no acampamento, galera.
Out of the damn way! Yep.
Who goes there?
It's me, Arthur.
Look who's back.
E o Wilson anda de guarda.
Hey there, Arthur.
Ah, Lenny. All right.
Oh, the noble Victor. I'll have you next time.
That ambition will see you far.
Thanks, Arthur.
Acampamento.
You good?
Sure. Uncle. Hey, Arthur. Just keep a calm head on your shoulders.
Okay.
Gentlemen, how you keeping? Well, girls ain't happy. Let me tell you that for nothing. Not happy at all. Oh, bye. Well, that's not true. I do.
Vamos descansar um pouco, galera. Vamos salvar o sangue agora.
Morning, Arthur.
Always good to see you.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Morning, dear.
Um ensopado.
Morning, dear.
E aqui,
stay there, boy.
Vou voltar a Valentine e cortar o cabelo.
Setting a good example there, Arthur.
Obrigadante. Ah, é, agiota.
Hey there. Arthur.
O John tá quase pelado. Aí sim.
My table awaits your offerings, Mr. Morgan. All right, Pearson. Well done, Mr. Morgan. Thank you, Arthur.
E aí, Ellie Anne Swan?
Good morning.
Morning.
Why don't you sit a while, Arthur?
Come on. Give me that again.
Yeah, I heard you the first time.
I'm only joking with you.
Sometimes I don't know what goes on in that head of yours.
How do you do? You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Come on. I thought we were friends. Guess who's on latrine duty tomorrow? It's all good. Calm down. What's your idea of a sense of humor? But answer me this. If Miller is a fraud, is he an honest fraud?
The way I see it, he's the worst kind of fraud, Mr. Dutch. He's a rich dreamer playing at being one of us.
This kid is too smart, Arthur.
Ó, uma conversa.
He's on vacation with the lower classes. The outlaws,
Senhor Miller.
unprotected by wealth.
You are too hard on him. He writes with incredible beauty.
Yes,
Thomas Miller.
he's very ornamental, as my uncle would say.
And your uncle, what was he?
He was a slave. Most educated man in his county, but a slave.
Miller writes about men like him.
Now, Miller's a slave too, a slave to pretty words and empty phrases, but he don't
Ó, isso aqui
understand.
que é legal, galera. Os eventos aleatórios que eu puxei no acampamento.
Look, you're a great man, Mr. Dutch, but you ain't great because of Evelyn Miller.
Keep quiet, Morgan. He'll eat you alive. It ain't difficult.
Vou cortar esse cabelo.
A lady?
Hey!
I don't know. Let's try that again.
Yes, I said hello.
Mirante North Shore.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hey there. Why don't you sit, I said.
One more time, just for luck.
A comedian like you should be on the stage.
Take it easy. I ain't serious.
Is that your
Guys,
idea
a
of
luta
sense of
cicatriz
humor?
daquela viúva atacada por roubos. Então, vou precisar de munição para resgatar o Sam.
Abigail.
Morning, Arthur.
Morning.
Morning, mister.
Where's my money? Where is it?
What? What do you mean?
I'm joking. Christ. How many times a day do you shit your pants?
So you keep saying.
Don't worry, I'm just playing with you.
I'm glad to promise you and you so much.
There he is.
Morning, Arthur.
Folks seem really happy now.
Sure.
This is everything. The whole world is in a smile, Arthur. Remember that.
Olha que bonito o arco-íris, galera.
Hello.
Good morning.
Okay.
You can just sit, you know.
There she is.
Hi.
What does that say?
I don't know. Try again, Jackie. I said I don't know. And I said try again. I can't do
Oh,
No, you won't do it. But you sure as rain is wet can do it. Reading is boring. Arthur, could you give us a minute? I'm trying to teach the boy to read. No, stupidity is boring. Reading is the one help you got and not...
o Zéia tá ensinando.
I already tried.
Tá ensinando o Jake a ler.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey, Lenny. Yeah.
Uhum. Vamos salvar o Sam, galera. Hoje é o principal episódio da parte. A gente vai cortar o cabelo.
Yep. Yep. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Mister?
Morning. Now that is some serious undergrowth up top there, friend. What's it to be?
Cortar o cabelo.
Oh, that's a bit better.
Aí sim, cabelo curto.
Thank you. Really.
What can I get you? Here it is.
Thanks.
Good to see you again, sir. Got everything you need. Have a look.
Now, let me have a look.
Nice.
That should be good. Thanks, partner.
O capilar aumenta a velocidade de crescimento do cabelo dos pelos faciais.
Okay, boy.
Vamos lá pro caminho, galera.
What's up?
Vamos lá agora. Fazer uma missão. Desobedece, chato.
Yep.
O cavalo é bom, hein? É, vamos, acho que perto de Fred Walter, galera, eu acho. Fazer essa necessidade do sistema. Primeira vez que vamos nessa parte do mapa. Explorar o que tem por aqui para essa banda. É isso mesmo. Olha lá.
Let's go, boy. Yeah. Easy. You're okay.
Tem cavalos aqui.
Yeah. So, hey! Hold up a sec. What you need? Yeah. Ain't even worth it. All right, man.
Tem uma estação aqui perto.
Easy.
Ô, esquilo.
Okay, boy. Yep.
Estamos perto da onde aqui? Perto de Blackwater. Opa, tem uma missão aqui. Mas depois eu faço.
Hold up. Yep.
Vamos salvar o Sam primeiro. Ó, meu cavalo tá fraco.
That's it. Hey.
O que era aqui? Depois nós vai explorar essa área.
Easy, easy.
Stanberry. Blackwater.
Easy. Whoa.
Vamos explorar o Guaxinim. Tá chovendo. Que coisa. Aqui a área. Nós estamos sendo procurados por volta.
Hey, friend. Don't run into many folks out this way.
procurado vivo ou morto aqui. Essas bandas nós já estamos sendo procurados, hein?
There we go. Yeah.
O golpe que deu errado em Black Walter aqui, galera. Nossa.
Whoa, easy. Yeah. Easy. It's okay. Let's go, boy.
Black Walter.
Easy there.
Já vê aí, a turma tá aqui. Ah, eles estão acampando aqui, ó. Durante dias de vigia.
How many?
A lot. Uniforms everywhere.
This is Sean?
No.
Tá vendo o Charles e o Xavier estão aqui.
I don't think so.
Damn it. Where's Trelawney?
Who knows?
Just keep your eyes open.
I am.
Preparar pra salvação. E aí, pessoal?
Where's that little Irish
Os
bastard?
primeiros são os últimos.
Trelawney's off trying to find out.
Has anyone been in the Blackwater, see how things lie?
Place is
Vai até
crawling
pra
with
agora pra ver. O lugar tá lotado de Pinkerton. Não, os caçadores de recompensa.
You got a lot of money sitting in that town.
And that's where it's gonna remain.
É lá que vai ficar por enquanto. Tem um monte de dinheiro ficou pra trás em Black
They
Walter.
hang Sean, I wonder.
Think he's bait.
Ó o chão, tá lá.
Found publicly.
Qualquer
Sean is being
cavaleiros,
up the
tanques,
upper
tá sendo
Montana
transportado pela montanha da
to
China.
federal prison out west.
Ó o senhor, seu homem.
We can't be rescuing people from some federal prison. We either rescue them now or cut them loose.
Not
Não
cutting
se
them
esquece.
loose.
Não vamos esquecer de ninguém.
Ike Skelding's
É
boys
claro que não.
are moving him to a camp nearby before handing him over to the government.
So, I guess we need to stop them before they get to camp. Charles, why don't you head
Charles,
up on
por
the
que
north
você não vai
side?
pela porta
We'll
de
head up
morte?
on the other side of the valley and
Aí a
meet you
gente
down
vai.
there.
É,
Have them
vai
in
armar uma
either direction.
encostada, tá certo.
Javier, Josiah, come on.
Xavier do Shaya. Trelawney.
You know what? The government, or people whom the government like, seem to be very angry.
Sure, well, we'll rescue Sean and
Vamos
get
resgatar o
ourselves
chão e
a
depois
lot of good
sumir do
property.
mapa
It's
de
a
vez.
big
É um
country.
país grande.
I
Vamos achar o barco, gente.
Find this boat.
Keep your eyes open for Pinkertons. They got patrols out all over this area.
Yes, south of the river, West Elizabeth isn't a very welcoming place right now.
O cavalo do
Definitely
vilão.
as bad as we feared in there, Arthur.
I keep hearing about this woman, Heidi McCord. Some young mother they're saying Dutch murdered on the boat.
I don't know about that. I wasn't there. Bad day.
And no money
É um
yet.
desviadeiro, parece aqui.
I hope you know where that is, at least.
Dutch and Hosea say they do, but it's trapped in the town.
Oh, it must be wonderful to have such trust in one's parents. Mine would have sold me for a hogshead of ale. In fact, I think they tried.
Down there. Reckon those might be our
Ali está o
boys.
barco.
All right, gentlemen. Follow me. Keep your guns away until we know it's Sean, okay? I know what you two are like.
You think they can see us?
If they can, we're just three fellas out on the trail.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Natural. We'll be fine.
So, you've been gone for a while.
Much as I love dodging the
Então
law
quer
and
dizer que o
sleeping
Sam
in
está
the
naquele
dirt with
barco.
you derelicts, I do have other business to attend to.
What happened in New York?
You know how life is. Not a straight road anywhere.
Especially with you.
Nice to know I missed, though. Have you run out of people to rob? Come on, let's
Tem
keep them in
pessoas mais
sight.
pra roubar.
You alright,
O
Javier?
vilão que esquematiza
He hasn't stopped talking since
o vilão, galera, é um dos membros que esquematiza a oportunidade de roubo pela gangue do Dutch.
we left you in Valentine. The longest ride of my life.
Cute, dear boy. Very cute. Pick up the pace a bit. Apparently there's a camp somewhere around here where the bounty hunters meet and transfer
Sim,
before
com-
continuing out west. I imagine that's where they're headed.
Nunca a gangue do Dutch deixa um membro pra trás, é o Macguire.
Hey, they're stopping. All right, let's take a closer look.
Ah, estão parando aqui, ó.
Yours, gentlemen.
Olha o Sam ali.
So who are these bounty hunters?
I don't know too much about Axkeldon's boys, but I hear they're a big crew, wild, built some reputation in the last year or two.
That looks like Sean to me.
Aí tá de máscara o Sam lá.
Enough of a fuss.
Caçador de recompensa.
That's definitely Sean.
Oh, they're giving him a decent kicking.
Well, you can only imagine the shit he's been giving them.
Oh, yes.
They're taking them up the canyon.
Estão levando pro Canyon. Olha lá. Olha o Charles lá.
There's Charles on the other side. Let's go.
What about the other two down there?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Ó, tinha uma ideia assim.
Watch it. You've ridden a horse before, dear Lord.
Minha arma tá polida.
We should do this quietly if we can.
Leave it to me, gentlemen. I'll go around and create a distraction. Then you two sneak across and do the dirty on them.
Okay. Get your knife ready.
You're
Keep your
long.
head down. Stay here. Okay, let's move down. Don't cross until he's got their attention.
Armas brancas. Faca. Iluminação. Faca de arremesso.
Hold up, he's doing his thing.
Get along, Arthur. Gentlemen, excuse me. Dear brothers, my wife is taken ill. Gravely ill. It's dear Bessie.
You take the one on the left. Let's go now. Keep down.
I'm beside myself. If I lose Bessie, I lose everything.
Calm down, mister.
I can't. I'm having a fit.
Isso!
Okay, let's get after him.
A pleasure as always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Obrigado, Lilon.
Come on. We got you halfway up the canyon to deal with.
Qué lindo dudes you got there, eh? Those are very nice. Who's the guy you got them from? Is he alive still? Come on, focus. Focus, okay? I can't wait to get back home.
Isso aí, começou o tiroteio. Puta que pariu. Isso, Arthur. Aí, Charles. Isso, Arthur.
Come on, let's get up there.
The camp's up this way. Come on.
Charles, you take the right. I'll go left.
Okay.
Let's take these hijo de putas.
Goddamn army of these bastards. How much is it? Still time.
Cadê o Sam? Ele tá aqui, ó.
Okay, let's get Sean. Quick, Arthur, before any more show up.
Put me down! Come on!
E aí, Sam?
An army of bounty hunters that in Sham. Macguire. You're making heavy work of this, aren't you? You know, you're a lot less ugly from that
Sabe,
angle, Arthur.
isso é muito menos feito. O Sam foi resgatado.
Do we get a hold, Arthur? A warm embrace for a lost brother now found.
Eu não até então perdi.
You know, nothing means more to me
Sabe,
than this gang.
nada
On
mais
this
pra mim
chair.
que
It's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it.
eu morrer
Despite
preso
all
por ele.
that, I would have easily left you here to rot of Charles Anstone. I don't
Se
believe
os
a
caras não
word of that,
tivessem
Arthur.
me
Get
feito.
him out
Não
of
te
here.
dizendo uma palavra, tira ele
You're a
daqui.
great man, Arthur Morgan. The kind of young whippersnapper I can really admire. Shut up. Right, we should split up. Javier, will you escort Mr. Macguire
Já
back to
pode
camp?
soltar o senhor
Charles,
Macguire
bet
até o
you ride
acampamento.
separately. Be
Cara, melhor
careful.
você ir
There's
sozinho.
patrols
Cuidado,
everywhere.
tem patrulha por todo lado.
Are you? I'm gonna see what's worth taking here. I'll meet you
Viu que
back there
vale.
as soon as I can.
All right. Okay, come on.
Have I got stories for you?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I imagine y'all missed me a lot. But fear not, the joy's back in your lives now.
Cai fora daqui. Vamos voltar ao acampamento. Ih, rapaz. Quem sabe o que aconteceu? Ai, graças a Deus deu certo.
Hey there, mister. Give me a choice.
$40.
Make your pay. You're dead. Yeah.
Patrulhamento reforçado, hein? Ah, porra, tudo mexeu. Por que que fui mexer, né, galera? Agora vai vir a grande parte boa. Festa no acampamento.
Idiot.
É isso aí.
There, boy.
Hey, this way.
Okay, then.
You gotta help me out here,
Prisioneiro.
mister. Can you? Please. I've been on the run for days now. If you could help me with these shackles, I just might have a chance.
So how'd you end up like this?
Just shoot the damn chains already. Come on. Come on.
Come on. You know?
Oh, yes. Yes. Perfect. Ah, thank you. I got no money to give
Eu
you,
não tenho
but
dinheiro pra você, mas
I
talvez
think
eu
I
tenha
might
ainda
got
algo
something
melhor.
even better. Some of those fellows talked about this old crone up
Daquele
north of
sujeito falar de uma
Strawberry.
bruxa fé que vive ao
Got
norte de
herself a
Chegando.
tiny sum locked
Ela tem uma bela
away.
quantia em algum
Maybe
lugar.
just stories,
Talvez existiam só
but
história, mas
they
ela
were sure
estava
excited.
bem invocada.
Oh, yeah? Why'd I be
Dica de
interested
roubo,
in that?
obrigado.
I don't know, just a hunch. It's up to you, friend.
Obrigado, cara.
I'd keep low, I was you.
Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah.
Arma de emergente. Escureceu. Vamos ver o acampamento. Tá em festa, ó. Festa no acampamento, tá vendo, galera? Que da hora.
Easy now.
Hey, listen! I just wanted to say, I know you bastards missed me. Even you, Arthur. Even you.
Here we go. No
Arthur! Oh, Arthur! You seem in a good mood. I am, son. I am. Let's have some fun. Tonight.
Vamos só
enjoy
aproveitar.
ourselves. We having a party? Maybe. Just a little one. Great.
on the head.
Ótimo.
Mr. Don't you worry, Mr. Pearson, you drunk old shitbag. It'll be nothing but the finest game in the
A festa no acampamento.
No, Deadeye Macguire's back. And don't worry about nothing, Mrs. Grimshaw. We'll have this camp running like clockwork. I love you,
E aí,
bastard.
Sam?
Have fun. Have lots of fun. Even you grumpy old bastard, Arthur.
Oh, here comes
What a night.
I just can't get rid of you, can I?
hot
Mind
dog.
if I join you fine folks?
I
Watch out, guy.
suppose.
You're looking lovely as ever, if I may say so.
Oh, stop it.
Imagine riding with a might be sitting by the fire. You can have a hound to hell back here and all the
Come on. How about a song?
He'll be drinking till dawn there, what
Para esse momento, vamos pôr essa roupa.
You know this one, don't you? Go join in.
Finally, some good news, eh?
Indeed. Hello, sirs. You deserve this one.
Finger on her knee. Well, what I can say. She says, young man, you're rather free.
For diddle, diddle, diddle all day. I put my arm around her waist. Mark well
Agree.
what I do say. She says, young man, you're really great. For diddle, diddle, diddle all day. I put my hand upon her thigh. Mark well what I do say. She says, you're getting pretty. I do diddle, diddle, diddle all day. I put my hand upon her
O Arthur tá se divertindo também.
She says, let's lay down on the grass and diddle, diddle, diddle all day.
I mean, yours a group of fellas that spent every waking minute just dreaming to leave, and then they left.
But how about something? Yes.
Arthur?
That's good.
Oh,
I even miss you, you old bastard.
And that's most fellas are sheep. That's right. And
Come on
you can
now,
tell the
Pierce.
difference between a sheep and a sheep and a man. Then you
Look at me. With the bell of the ball.
Stop it,
E aí, Mary Beth, quer dançar?
I ain't much of a dancer. I'm sorry, Mary Beth. Well,
See, Arthur?
Hora cheia, tá dançando.
Doesn't mean we won't stop thinking you're angry and sad.
what you think of me?
Sad in a good way, like a romantic poet.
Well, that's about all I can muster.
Oh, da hora, cara. Isso aqui é legal, essa festa do acampamento. Da hora, cara, isso aqui, né?
Feels like ages since we've done this.
Things are on the up again. Finally.
O referente tá sócio, tá bêbado ainda. Da hora isso aqui, né, cara?
I mean it. Beautiful.
A festa no acampamento, todos se divertindo. Mary Beth sabe dançar.
Yeah.
Mary Beth sabe dançar muito bem.
Look at you. You go.
Pronto.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan.
My dear.
Well, thank you, sir.
Well, of course. Mr. Morgan! Morgan! Reverend? Hello! Hello.
É, bem.
What do you want? I'm not quite sure. Oh, this keeps happening. Hello, gentlemen. Hi.
When I was just glad you know I met a gal from old Bordeaux. That's all.
A música no acampamento.
Took me down into her cellar, said there was a mighty fine
Está aí, Arthur.
Split it in two. That's what you call a ring-a-dang-do. Dollar each and a 3 for 2. You dirty man.
Yes.
Okay? Hi, Arthur.
Vou pegar o uísque.
Mr. Matthews.
Que é isso?
I like blue water. Mm-hmm. Black water? You can keep that. Blue water. Fire water.
Vamos ver o que o Sam tá aprontando lá.
I'll admit nothing.
You love me.
I'd rather love a snake.
Tão ficando.
She loves me. I'm the happiest man alive.
Sean,
Artie Morgan.
you awake yet? Just kidding around.
Vai, Arthur.
There she is, the finest lady I know.
I hate you,
Sorry.
Irish bastard.
Come here.
You hate me too. I can see it in your eyes.
E ele vai ficar com a Karen. Eu te amo, I love you.
You only love me when we're drunk.
Well, you're always awfully superior when you're sober.
Come on, man. I hate you. Know that. I hate you.
Ficou junto. Oh, caraca, velho.
No, don't stop. I just want someone to see me.
Nossa, cara. Crianças não assistam isso.
You're going? Guess I'll see you in the morning then.
What are you doing there, yo creep?
Miss Jones?
Mr. Morgan?
Mr. Macguire?
Nossa, não tá bem, mano.
It's
Oh,
for your
Molly.
sake alone that I leave my old parents, my house, and my home. My love for you has caused me
E amor, você.
I'm a rabble rouser, and Dixie's my home.
Jack and I,
Oh, whiskey, you villain, you've been my downfall. You kicked me, you cuffed me, and caused me to brawl.
I was in my hand.
Still leave my bride on my hand. Fairest in the land. Her parents don't like me, they say I'm too old. But you enter her door.
They say I drink whiskey. My money's my own. And them that don't like me can leave me alone.
No.
I lick when I'm hungry, I drink when I'm dry. And when I get thirsty, I lay down and cry.
As músicas do acampamento, da hora.
It's beefsteak
When
when
I'm
I'm
hungry and
whiskey
whiskey
when I'm dry.
greenbacks when I'm hard up and hell when I die.
Rye whiskey, rye whiskey, rye whiskey, I try. If I don't get rye whiskey, I surely will die.
Já vi que canta música curiosa.
I've told you before, do make me a pallet, I'll lie on the floor.
I've rambled and trampled, waggled around with the gang. That's where I am bound. It's with these ghost singers, come on, I roam.
I'm a rabble rouser and Dixie's my home.
If the ocean were whiskey and I were a duck, I'd dive to the bottom and get one sweet sup. But the ocean ain't whiskey and I ain't no duck. So I play Jackie Cotton and then we'll get drunk. Oh baby, I told you before to make me a pallet, I lie on the floor.
Impressive. Uncle.
Howdy do, Arthur.
Hey, Sean.
Mr. Morgan.
Acho que agora todo mundo vai dormir, né?
Hey,
Mr. Morgan.
good old Bill.
Hi, Arthur.
up.
Vou aproveitar até o último segundo da festa no acampamento aqui, galera.
Who did you call a goddamn drunkard? Some shit.
I got no idea.
Acho que vou beber até ficar bêbado.
Go to bed.
As bolas do ar, tá?
Get you gone past. That consents all the while. It's your sprig of shillelagh and shamrock so green.
É isso.
I knew you boys would come for me. I knew it. I love you, Arthur Morgan.
Right. Morning.
Vai descansar, né? Ai, ai. Que festona, hein, cara?
Hosea.
Opa, o que que temos aqui? Tô de casa, Xavier.
Hey,
You looking good?
thank you.
We're free. We are alive. And we are free. So enjoy yourselves. Life is good. Oh, life is good.
How you feeling?
You hear that, Mr. Pearson?
Okay, a little better. Mr. Morgan, you saved my life, and well, I'm very grateful.
Don't mention it, Reverend.
I made a fool of myself.
We've all done it.
I get so confused and angry, and then I hear God laughing at me, and I get even angrier. Well, I'm a real prize.
Tá bom, fica quieto.
I know it.
Things seem bad.
some nights.
Well, just change you then. Not making much sense tonight. No. But somehow, you summarize what it is. Then, it seems always really, it seems like there's no other way. Got plenty of bad things that we've all forgotten about. Don't take Dutch's patter about redemption too serious. We're doomed. Just like every other creature on the rock. But unlike them, we're built in to fight.
E aí, Xavier, como tá?
You busy, Arthur? I heard about a house. Could be interesting.
Pode ser interessante. Que tipo de casa? Não sei.
Fellas I heard in town said
Foi o sujeito que eu vi falando na
it was
cidade.
really freakish. Family local boogeymen, I guess.
São os bichos papo da área, eu acho.
In every way.
Mas são sinistros em todos os sentidos.
So these boys thought they were sitting on a lot of cash.
Certo? Rapaz, acho que eles estão guardando alguma coisa. Parece que são ladrões de estrada.
Well hidden in the woods.
Estão muito bem escondidos na floresta.
Of course,
É
it's
claro que
dubious.
respeito, mas
There ain't much risk of getting caught.
não tem muito risco de ser pego.
Okay, then.
Vamos lá então. Tá bem,
Let's
então.
take a look.
Vamos dar uma olhada.
Just take a look. It's up north.
Vamos lá então, ô Xavier.
Valentine. Best way there is through Cumberland Falls, though. You know what?
Sure. On left. You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Vamos praticar então esse pequeno delito, galera, antes de terminarmos por aqui. Todos já recuperaram da ressaca noite passada. Estamos do sangue. Vamos lá, Xavier. Foi uma festa de boa, hein? Vocês viram? Onde que nós estamos?
Okay, we're pretty close now. Let's stop and go on foot from here. Just up the hill this way. Follow me.
Eu vou com... Eu só vou colocar a cabine.
There's a spot up at anywhere. We should be able to get a good look at the place. I want to make sure we don't run into any surprises.
Sure.
Apparently, this family's been isolated for so long, they started talking in their own weird dialect. They really don't like
Dialeto próprio.
outsiders, especially on the turf.
Essa família tá isolada, então aqui. Ah, casa aqui, Porter. Entendi. Ah, não é longe do acampamento onde ele mora. Porter Shore.
Well, you just keep... Keep selling me on this job, don't you?
Big place, right? You got your binoculars.
Well, there's a pretty big barn in the back. Not a bad place to start looking. Must be a lot of people living here. A large house.
Looks like it could be in any one of them buildings, and who knows how many people are in there. I ain't sure about this. Boy, I think we need to draw them out somehow. I got an idea. Follow me.
All these trees, I can't get a proper look at the place.
Well, hopefully it'll make it harder for them to spot us, too.
Coast seems clear so far.
Yeah, so far.
Hey, keep it down. I hear voices. Hey, stay with me, Arthur. Okay, stick close now. Come on, let's hide behind this shed. See if we can hear what they're saying. Just stay quiet.
Where you been now, Newt? Don't be boiling now, Pappy. I was gone for 10 minutes, I was.
You can lollygag all the now day long, cause Edie takes patrol, not don't you?
What? No, you get all the jam.
You shut your gulper, or I'll flag her your felt, I will. Your knees will pull out wide. Up. Go guard the shed. Go! You understand what they're saying?
Not much of it.
What we doing out here? Okay, take cover by the rock over there. I'll create a little distraction, then you jump them, okay?
What kind of distraction?
You'll see. Be quiet.
Come on, we didn't come all this way for nothing. Arthur, we need to find the money, get the hell out of here.
Look what we have here.
I told you it was worth the trouble, didn't I?
Yeah, you take this. Let's split up. I'll meet you back at camp.
Sounds good.
Come on.
Okay, boy.
Yeah.
All right, boy.
All right.
Whoa. Easy.
Whoa, back. Easy, easy. Yep. There we go. Yep. Ah! Hey, easy. Yeah, that's it, boy. Easy, whoa. So up now. It's okay. Just come on. Come here. Here we come. Come on now. Easy. Easy there. I ain't giving up. God damn it! Okay, boy. Get it? Yeah. There we go. Calm down. There. Easy, easy. Easy. Whoa, eat shit. Whew. You're a feisty one. All right, boy. Yep. Hey, come back. You'll be all right. Yeah, come on now. We're easy now. Whoa! Hey now. Easy. Hey. We're not done. Okay, that's better. There you go. All done. Easy now. Yep. 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 Hey there.
You good-for-nothing cheating bastard! I ain't hearing no more of this. I won that game fair and square. Shit, fair
this.
Who else wants some, huh? Who else?
Sure, I'll shoot you. I wouldn't mind some practice.
Well, let's get to it then.
Oh my.
Come, look at this.
All right, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Goddamn fool! Yeah. Okay.
Who's that? Look who's back.
Whoa, easy. Here. Let's get you looking nice. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Strauss.
Hello, Arthur.
I expect you'll betray me in the end, Arthur. You're the type. That's so. You tell me. Mr. Swanson.
Hello, Mr. Morgan.
Okay, Mr. Morgan.
Mr. Arthur, I told Dutch. I feel I should tell you. I saw some of Combs' boys riding around.
Down here? What do they want?
I have no idea.
They see you?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, thanks for letting me know, Kieran.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
You take care.
Yes.
Mr. Morgan.
You've got to find us some food or some money, Arthur.
I know.
Thank you.
There he is.
Hello.
Nice to see you working, Arthur.
Hey, you gonna deign to join us here?
That is what I like to see. Mr. Morgan. Mr. Morgan.
Yes, Reverend.
Can I get
Do
some
you
room
think
here?
the Pinkertons are finally gonna kill us?
Perhaps.
I'm so worried.
How is that food coming along, Mr. Pearson?
Uh-oh, Dutch is thinking. This can't be good.
I am not in the mood for this.
Calm down.
You're not a child. I don't have to take this from you.
It's all good. Calm down.
Grow up.
Hi there, Arthur.
Silly. Yep.
be interested in some friendly competition? I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him?
Me? A real gunslinger? Let's find out.
Okay, man. That's what I like to hear. Look, man, rules are simple, okay? Whoever shoots one of these bottles wins. Just throw your gun and aim when you're ready, all right? Shoot! Ah, yes! How the hell did you beat me, huh? Oh.
Better shot, I suppose.
That didn't make me happy at all. How about we raise the stakes, huh?
All right, let's do it.
Aha, that's a good call, amigo. All right, real simple. First one to hit 4 flying birds wins. Stand near me, and as soon as they come out, it's anyone's shot. Be patient. Ah, there they go. Shoot! So you can shoot, huh? Here it is, okay? Man of my word.
Appreciate it.
Sure. Better watch out next time. You'll see.
Just not your day, huh?
Yeah, I guess not. Guess I need more practice, huh?
Why'd you even bother betting?
Okay?
I mean, you must know you ain't good at this.
Watch yourself, friend. I had some bad shots, is all.
Easy, whoa. Yep.
Old blind man Cassidy is not old crazy man Cassidy.
Help a blind man.
Okay, sure.
You must decide between your past and others' future, friend. Decide, for soon it will be too late.
Sure. Okay, mister. All the best now. Yep.
Give me a dime. Give me something. I just want to get a drink.
Hello.
I'm parched. Hey, brother. Good to see you again, friend. I've only gone and forgotten your name. But worse than that, I've forgotten my own name, too. It happens to me. You ever forget your name, mister?
Sure.
See? We're made for each other. I mean, as friends. I knew it. There's a big crazy fellow with a gun, and I'm a little crazy fella. Can't afford a gun no more. Stick with him, Jimmy, I said. And then I said, your name ain't Jimmy, it's Mickey. And then the fella I was talking to in my head, even he didn't want to talk to me no more. I'll see you around. I've gotten real confused.
Okay, then. Okay there?
Enough of this horse shit. Well, hello again. Liberty is worth every penny. We'll make sure to send word to West Elizabeth.
Thanks.
Hey there.
Hey there, partner. Howdy. Howdy, dude. What exactly is the matter with you?
Come on. Never mind. I have the time off work now. Oh, hey, friend. Remember me?
Hey, you look familiar.
Hey, Wallace. This here's the kind soul I was telling you about.
The one that, got the venom out of your leg?
Guess so.
Listen, friend, I know I can never repay you, but how about you head over to the gunsmith and pick out your choice of item on my tab?
Oh, well, thanks.
Yeah, see, my
Least I can.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Trailer outside told me I could grab something on his tab. One with the Biden.
Always a doubter.
Ah, Norbert, huh? Well, he's good for it. About all he's good for between the two of us. Well, take a look around. Find something you like, I'll put it on his tab. Fine choice. I'll let him know. Bye now.
Watched the Undertaker taking in some boy the other day. Talking to him like...
That's something, sure is.
Excuse me. Hey, partner.
Mister.
Well.
Yep. Hello, mister.
Mister? Hey, you. That area's for employees only. Just know your money's safe with us.
Hello?
That's how it is.
Hello?
You ain't worth two shits, whole damn lot here. You're worth one.
You better watch your behavior around here.
One buffalo, one redskin. I shot 19 of them once. Well, buffalo, not redskins. Oh no, how many redskins are killed? But they deserved it. They weren't Christians, so I sent them to hell. You should have thanked me. All you fools should thank me.
Howdy, fellers.
I'm a
Hey
mind my
there.
business.
What do you want? Ain't no Wild West no more around here. Ain't nothing.
What's your poison?
More goddamn America. More
Can I get a whiskey?
More goddamn
Good health.
prissy women in men's clothing and women in women's clothing.
You ain't scaring nobody.
Be men. fellas.
Here's your belly full. What, you ain't caused enough harm here already?
Sure. Y'all are taking a risk here. This is my game.
What's wrong with you fool? Look at y'all. Look at you. And it was goddamn men.
I think I'll find me a lady of disrepute after this.
Game men.
This
Yeah,
don't
even
play this
women.
enough lately.
You're something else. You're revolting.
Thanks.
How are you? I'm revolted. I'm tempted to gouge my eyes out just for the fact that they saw you.
This is all I'm
tempted
waiting.
to
What kind of
gouge
game you
my
think this
eyes
is?
Just for the fact that they saw you, I wouldn't do you the dignity of pissing on you. None of you. Oh, God, I can't believe what this dump is coming to.
No.
Yeah, you ain't hit the church, I see.
Come on, we can do better.
Oh, damn.
Okay.
I reckon this much.
No, no.
Better than nothing.
Shall we just play a little more?
Good evening, friend.
I check. Hey. Nice stuff. That sure is Ellie
I'm a check.
Ugh.
Well, someone's got to raise it.
Ugh.
I got phone.
Ah. Yep, there.
Evening. Pretty damn well.
That's good news.
I'll try my luck.
Check.
Everything's blurry.
Ugh.
Go on, check. All right, I'll place you.
Okay.
You good? Come on, my shift is starting soon.
Well, that's too bad. Nice evening.
Why are you fretting?
Can't imagine things.
I'll raise you.
that son of a bitch now.
Is that something?
Forgive me, it's all I can afford.
Really? Why are you still here?
We can be better.
You are yellow, aren't you?
Your eyes ain't playing tricks.
Well, I got nothing.
Oh, you're scared.
No.
You saw?
What the hell's going on here?
Man, you're real unlucky, ain't you?
Reminds me.
Bunch of children.
Voltei a gameplay aqui, o áudio voltou ao normal agora. Nós estávamos aqui coisando a festa do Sam. Agora eu voltei aqui a jogar cartas. Só passando um passatempo aqui um pouco.
So you're not into pretty ladies.
Don't mind if I do.
Eu quero ganhar desses caras nas cartas.
Just letting you know.
I'll raise you.
I know you've got a good hand. I'll see you. Just a little wager.
Mm-hmm.
Tá apostando, né?
You're a pretty dull player. Fold again? Jeez. There you go.
Get a load of these here.
Ah, great hand.
Droga.
Better than nothing.
Não ganho, cara, é difícil.
I'm fed up with losing.
You one unlucky bastard, eh?
Quero ganhar uma desses caras.
George was telling me about that Aberdeen pig farm. Strangest couple you ever saw.
That's what you're saying. Maybe this was stir the pot a bit.
What kind of game do you think this is?
Crap.
Heck yeah! Nice, nice. You watch what you say, amigo.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll check.
Vamos apostar, ué.
I'm see what you're made of.
Hey, I don't think so.
You're bluffing.
That's good.
Going for it. All in.
Vamos apostar tudo.
I think we're about to get a lesson.
Y'all see that?
Your eyes ain't playing tricks. Well, all right then. You something, I guess.
Tied up.
É, aperte 21.
time for ties.
Ah, aí, ó.
There are nothing. Oh, hell. Tie.
Okay.
Quero ganhar essa, hein?
Enough?
I've been better.
This is fine, real fine.
Nossa, todo mundo ganhou, cara. Que cagada.
Okay, then.
We're about even there.
É, eu ganhei também, primeira vez.
I know you.
All right, now here I go. Sure wish I had your luck today.
Check. I can raise that.
Call. Check, I think.
I check.
Just this for now. Scared we're gonna bleed you dry?
Damn it.
Game too tough for you?
I'm lost for words, man.
How the hell did you do that?
Okay, I'll take that.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Espera tá 3 pouco de live já.
You need another chance.
Howdy, friend.
You ever gonna play?
I ain't got no complaints.
Gonna check.
You ain't headed to church, I see. Well,
hi, darling.
That's what I got.
Damn it!
Yes, ganhei.
Yeah. Yes.
Ó, apostador. Desbloqueei apostador no pack check. Pensamos simples. Ó, desafio aposta.
That's all you got for us?
You look like you could handle a girl like me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling.
I'm a call.
I'm in.
You know I don't charge for talking, right?
I'll raise you. Now, that ain't gonna lighten your pocket none.
I'll try my luck.
Oh no, god damn it!
You really that though? I'ma play slow.
Ganhei!
Okay. Let's keep this going. Here, just a little.
Ain't gonna risk it.
Jeez.
Yep.
Miss, you make a fella want to get to know me.
Just this for now.
You will,
Damn.
Ha! Well, I ain't gonna complain.
Tem que vir sorte carta alta, cara.
All right, now's my chance.
Some fools have all the luck.
Check. I know. Ain't too exciting.
Scared we're gonna bleed you dry? I'll raise.
Hello, good looking.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Ain't gonna risk it.
Well, ain't you exciting?
Cast your eyes on this.
There. Nothing.
Right.
Ah, bullshit.
Ah, perdi de novo. Shit.
This is fine, real fine.
Near the end of my rope with these losses.
I don't know if you can tell, but you...
Come on, play a little.
Check.
Forgive me. It's all I can afford.
Now, that ain't gonna lighten your pocket none.
Folding.
I'm gonna lick the smell right off of you, girl.
Well, ain't you a
There.
good man?
Don't mind if I do.
How about that?
You're not fooling me.
There.
Nothing here.
Okay.
Yeah, yes!
Nothing I can't absorb.
That's as it should be. Come here.
I'm just fine.
Ganhei essa.
Hello.
All right. Wages of gaming, I guess.
Check.
Okay. I don't think.
Appreciate it.
You play it safe, huh?
Just this for now. Scared we're gonna bleed you dry?
I'll see it.
Look at this.
Not much.
All is good.
Aw, damn.
Desgraçado.
Well, I ain't gonna complain.
É, galera, faz tempo que eu tô jogando aqui, vou jogar mais um pouco.
Not a bad way.
Saints Hotel. Ain't no saints to be found there.
Good.
Come on, we can do better. That's right. Right there. There's nothing.
Okay.
Hey. Howdy.
Oh. Pathetic.
Morning, sir.
Sure.
Not now.
Check.
Who do you think you're playing with here?
Now, that ain't gonna lighten your pocket none. Let's do this. Get a load of these here.
I ain't got nothing too impressive. Damn.
It's some, I guess.
That was a fun game.
Well, all right.
Yeah. Já fiquei muito tempo aqui jogando.
I am bored. You fools.
There you go.
You know where to find me to change your mind.
Thanks.
Bom, galera, vou desligando nessa. Eu peço para quem estiver chegando, deixe um like, não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade do Discord, participe do canal aí. Rapaz, já é 3 horas de live e gameplay. Então é isso aí, galera. Vou me desligando por aqui.